Hi friends, welcome back. So we'll see the sounds of alphabets, that is vowels. Okay, yeah. Every vowel has two sounds: short sound and a long sound. And E also has a short sound and a long sound. Okay, and I has a short sound and a long sound. Long vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, we say it. Okay, coming to O, it has two sounds: short sound and a long sound. Okay, again coming to U, it's a short sound and a long sound. All the long sounds are the alphabets itself. Alphabet, how we pronounce A, E, I, O, U, just like exaggerate or expanding it. A, E, I, O, U, that is long sounds. Coming to short, it is A, long A. E sound is A, long sound is E. I sound is E, long sound is I. Short sound is O, long sound is O. U short sound is A, long sound is U. A, E, I, O, U. Short sounds you need to learn. Long sounds as it is the sound as we pronounce the alphabets the same way, but somewhat prolonged or dragging the sound. Short sounds are somewhat different from the alphabet. Okay, I'll be later on showing the pictures also, as when the short sound comes, when the long sound comes. Again, shall we go through the sounds once again? Coming to A, the short sound is A. We say it as A. The short sound is A. Long sound is A. Short sound is E for E. Long sound is E. Short sound for I is E. Long sound is I. Short sound for O is O. Long sound is O. Short sound for U is A. Long sound is U. Two sounds for each vowel. Okay, you have seen the short sounds, the heading, the letters on top, a small line, curved line for short sound, straight line for a long sound. You can see on each letter A top short curve, that is short sound, long line is straight line is long sounds. Okay, so now 10 sounds. 5 letters have 2 sounds each, that makes 10 sounds. Okay, now we'll learn it with the pictures. Apple. Apron. Apron. A sound. Egg. Easel. Easel. Iguana. Iguana. Ice cream. Octopus. Oval. Umbrella. Unicorn. These are vowel sounds. Short loop tells you the short sounds, and the straight line tells you the long sounds. Short sounds and long sounds. So subscribe for the next sounds to know. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.